This dance is called Pepito, 64 count 2 waltz. There are 3 sequences in this dance. Sequence A, B, and tag. Let me show you sequence A. Sequence A, there are 32 counts. Starting with your right foot, rock back, recover. Rock back, recover, forward, cha, cha. Rock forward, recover, back, cha, cha. I repeat, first section. Rock back, recover, forward, cha, cha. Rock forward, recover, back, cha, cha. With a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, toe strut, side cha cha, rock recover. Toe strut, side cha cha, rock recover. Section 3 is a mirror image of section 2, so it goes toe strut, side cha cha, rock recover. So section 2 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, hip, bump, kick, touch behind, make a half turn and hold it there. So I repeat, section 4, hip, bump, kick, point behind, make a half turn and hold. So with the count of section 4 is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So this is the end of sequence A. I will go through the sequence A from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So now I do sequence B. Sequence B also starts with your right. It's forward, point, back, point. Section 1 of sequence B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 and section 3 of sequence B are mirror image. So I will do section 2 now. Rock, recover, cross, cha, cha, side, behind, side, cross. Rock, recover, cross, cha, cha, side, behind, side, cross. So section 2 and 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now section 4. Kick, sailor step. Kick, sailor step is behind, side. Repeat, mirror image. Kick, behind, side. Section 4 will be kick, sailor step. Kick, sailor step. So with the count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of section B. I will do the whole section B now. Forward, point, back, point. Rock, recover, cross, cha, cha, side, behind, side, cross. Rock, recover, cross, cha, cha, side, behind, side, cross. Kick, sailor step. Kick, sailor step. So this is the end of section sequence B. So now I do sequence C, or you can call it a tag. Also starting with right foot. Walk, walk, forward shuffle. Walk, walk, forward shuffle. Side recover, cross shuffle. So section sequence C, section 1. Walk, walk, forward shuffle. Rock, recover, cross shuffle. So now, with the count, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now section 2 of the tap is side recover, cross cha-cha, step pivot half turn, forward cha-cha. And side recover, cross cha-cha, side recover, cross cha-cha. I'll show you the count. Let's do the section C again. Walk, walk, forward cha-cha, rock, recover, cross cha-cha. Section 2. Rock, recover, cross cha-cha, half turn, forward cha-cha. Section 2. Section 3. Rock, recover, cross cha-cha, rock, recover, cross cha-cha. So section 3 is here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going to do the last part. Pedal 1/8 turn. 1/8 turn and 1/8 turn makes a quarter. After here you do kick and point, kick and point. So when you're here, you pedal 1/8, 1/8, 1/8, make a quarter, kick and point, kick and point. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So I do the whole section, the tap, all together, okay, the tap. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that's A, B, and attack. So now the dance sequence will be, you do have to do 2A first, then you go to B, and then you do attack. Just flow with the music. I will tell you when to change. So now let me show you the whole sequence of A, B, and attack. So sequence A, I repeat, sequence A will be rock back, recover, forward cha-cha. Rock in front, recover, back cha-cha. Toe struck, side cha-cha, rock, recover. Toe struck, side cha-cha, rock, recover. Hip bump, kick, point, back, hold. Section A. Now B. Forward point, back point, side recover, cross cha-cha, side behind, side cross, side recover, cross cha-cha, side behind, side cross, kick, sailor step, kick, sailor step. Now section C. Walk, forward shuffle, side recover, cross shuffle, side recover, cross shuffle, half turn, forward shuffle, side recover, cross shuffle, side recover, cross shuffle. Pedal 1/8 2 times, kick and point, kick and